Hey everyone, today we're going to do one of my favourite snack type meals, which is cheese toasties. You have to let me know if you or anyone you know does something similar, because every time I mention it to someone, they always kind of look at me weird. Um, I do tend to get that quite a bit anyway, but I've not met anyone who makes a cheese toastie like this. It's got a secret ingredient. Let's have a look at the ingredients now. So we've got cheese, onion, 4 slices of bread and 2 eggs. Cheese, onion and egg toasties. Something I've been doing for a little while, and there's 2 variants on it, and I'm going to make one of each. Sounds weird, I know, but they're really tasty. Let me put them together and I will talk you through exactly what's involved. So first step is to butter the bread. Just put a very light spread on the what will be the outside. Right, so we got the 2 bases with the inside of the bread buttered. What I'm only going to concentrate on the one side first, and there is a very good reason for that. A nice portion of cheese in there. I'm just going to make a tiny little well for it, and you'll see why now if you can't already guess. Okay, so to the second part I'm going to add some onion, mainly because I forgot to add it earlier, and we'll also season it. And the egg goes. And all we're going to do is mix it up. A bit more cheese, I think. Actually, pour that onto the bad section. Just for good measure, we add a bit of garlic salt, and that is variant number 1. The first toastie that we're going to make is a cheese one, cheese and onion with the egg mixed into the cheese and onion mixture. Right, so it's going to be kind of a non-milk omelette texture, but it's still just as tasty. It's great, but in a toastie. Variant 2 is ready to go. So basically, as you saw, what I did is I've put cheese in it and I've kind of built a little wall going around it. The idea is that we put that base into the toaster, crack the egg into a cup, pour a tiny bit of egg white out if necessary. These are quite small eggs, so I might not have to do that, but if you've got too much white, it tends to spill out everywhere, and it's not a problem because it will cook in the machine. It's just that it can be a little bit messy, so we'll play that bit by ear. And then in theory what should happen is it should cook more or less as kind of like a fried egg, but depending on how much cheese and filling you put in the sandwich, the yolk might split anyway. So all you get then is you get yolk in your toastie rather than a scrambled effect that we're going to get in variant 1. Best to have everything to go on this one. Right. So base on first. the egg on. You're going to get a little bit of spill on it, don't worry about that. And I tend to put a little bit of cheese on top. So I just like my cheese. That go on there. And then push it down. You can see a little bit has run out there. Give that about 6-7 minutes, and that should be cooked to perfection then. Gives you enough time to do dishes and make a cup of tea. So we're coming up for the 7-minute mark. Oh yeah, there we are, that. Don't they look sexy? Oh, you can just see the yolk there. It's almost like scrambled egg on this one. Beautiful. I love these. I love these toasties. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the egg one. Yes. So let's see if you can see that. There we go. You can see the egg yolk. There we are. So if you can quite see that. Cheese and egg toasties. One was slightly scrambled with the cheese and had onion added to it, salt and pepper, and the other one we put the egg in whole and then just pushed it down so that the yolk, it would split, no doubt, but it wouldn't be mixed in with the white. Nice and tasty. It's a great little tea. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like and a comment. Let me know if you do this type of toastie or what you put in yours, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye now.